Here I have iPad mini 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to link or unlink PowerButton to the Siri feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the Siri and search section, and here you have to enable press top button for Siri. Then tap enable Siri, and now when you hold down power key, the Siri will be enabled, but as you can see, I have to connect to the Wi-Fi and download data for using Siri. So yeah, it's enabled, but I firstly have to download the data. And the same way you can disable it here, and now it's disabled for sure. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.